Hi guys, what's up? It's Karate Mask. This video was made for people who are just starting karate or have a goal to get a black belt. I'm glad you have chosen karate out of the martial arts. In this video, I'd like to go over the basic of Kizamitsuki. I think the first technique that everyone learns in kumite is Kizamitsuki. You know how to Kizamitsuki, but the timing between the tsuki and the foot movement doesn't go well. In this video, we'll show you the basic form of the Kizamitsuki, which beginners often make mistake in. How was it? If you're conscious of Tsuki, your arm will be tense and the timing of your Tsuki and feet will not match. First, try Tsuki as if you're touching the opponent. When you get used to it, you can start from a relaxed state and then explode with all your strength at once. This is the first step to quicker Tsuki. Please refer to the following video on quick Tsuki. I always say it's normal to not be able to do any spots at first. You need to slowly get your body accustomed to the movement of karate. Then your body will input the movement and you will be able to move your body without being conscious of it. Even if you can't do it well today, watch this video and practice it over and over again. Your body will gradually become accustomed to the movement and you will be able to move smoothly. The important thing is to keep practice. I'm looking forward to helping you and your practice. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'd be happy to support your practice with this video. See you in the next video.